Hey everyone, welcome back. I have some burnout lights in my deck rail, and I am going to show you how I change those bulbs. These are for TimberTech lights. If you have burnout lights, it may vary. On these railing posts, they have a clip and it just pops off. Then there are 4 screws at the corner of each deck light. I use my screw gun. You can use a Phillips or whatever screw is necessary. You just want to make sure you don't lose the screws. I like to put them back in the cap cover. Once all the screws are taken out, it exposes the light. This was an LED one. Seeing how these work, they're nice and bright and they're clear as opposed to a warmer color than like the halogens, but this one didn't last very long and is pretty much shot. You just pull it out. It's a G4 base. It has 2 little prongs. I don't know if you can see here in the video, but it just has 2 prongs. For the replacements, I have Philips 12 volt 10 watt G4 base lights. You can basically find them at any of your home center. I'll also link to them down below in the description if you want to check them out. They're really tiny. This particular set here has a 2-pack. Usually what I like to do is use a paper towel, and I do this to avoid getting any skin oil on the light bulb. That usually shortens the lifespan on them, and you just push them in like that and you should be good to go. Make sure that it comes on before I put everything back together. So as you can see, it lit up, everything looks good. So I'm just going to turn it back off and then put the cover back on. So to put the cover back on, you do just reverse of what you did. Quick, easy fix. Saves you called a handyman to come replace your deck light bulbs, and it's not very scary to do. So these are the tools I used. I used my cordless screw gun. All of them are G4 bases, 10 watts. I use 2 different types. It's just what I happen to have on hand. A Phillips and then a Fight or Feet electric. They all work good. I am kind of disappointed in the fact that these Phillips LED pill lights failed. The only halogen light that failed was one that the tines were getting moisture on them, and I'm assuming the gasket was leaking somehow. So that caused this bulb to prematurely fail, but I am overall disappointed in the fact that these 3 failed. I was trying those out to see how well they work. The light is a lot brighter and crisper. So again, these are what I use to do this. I'll link these things down below in the description. If you got value out of this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell for new videos. Thank you.